Hi everyone, it's Evie with another pour. So let's get started. We're going to do a 3-cup pour. But this time, unlike the other 2 times, we're just going to go straight up and down. I'm going to try to have equal amounts of paint in each cup. Not too much paint. Okay, so let's get started. Let's move the camera a tiny bit. So let's start with, I'm going to start with some black, but very, very little. Like a drop of black. How about that? Just a tiny bit of black, because I don't want black to dominate the canvas. Next, we'll put some of this violet in. It's more bluish, but so we'll add some more dark color. Not a lot. Okay. Next, let's put this lighter violet color in. This one is more violet. The other one is more darker blue. I meant for it to be violet, but I didn't have enough crimson in it to make it violet. Okay. Now, oh, my lighter blue is gone. So what shall I do? I think I'll go with white now. Tiny bit of white. Not that much. Just a tiny bit. And then my turquoise. Okay. Now I want to put a little bit more white in there. I want to separate my turquoise from my pinks. I'm trying to avoid mud, basically. Okay, so I've got 2 kind of pinks. Got this pink, which is made from a red and white. So the red that this is made from, I don't remember the name of the red. But I know that this pink right here is made from crimson. Crimson and white. Okay. Now let's do one more layering. What did I start with? I started with black, right? I don't know that I want that much black in there. How about just a little dot of it? Okay. Just a little dot of black. Just to say I put it in there. And then what was the next color? I think the dark crimson color. I mean the dark violet color. Violetish. Okay. Now the lighter one. Okay. Next, the pink, the 2 pinks. This pink from red. Not much of it. And then this pink from crimson. Okay, so let me finish up my pink. I don't want to waste any paint. Actually, you know what? I mixed in the silicone early on, so probably the top portion of my paints had a lot of silicone. The bottom portions may not. Okay. Let me just clean up my containers. I wonder how having two types of pinks that are not very similar will bode for my painting. Well, we're about to see. So next, let's do some tilting. Actually, not tilting, let's flip it. We have 1, 2, 3 cups. That should be plenty of paint, because just filling one of these cups totally is plenty of paint, and we have them, I'd say 3/4 of the way full, each of them. So I think we have plenty of paint. So let's just let this sit for a bit. Move this a little over. Okay. Okay, it's been a few minutes, so let's see what we're working with. I'm going to move this one up here, this one down here, this one up here, and let's do it. Ready, set, go. Okay. Ready, set, go. Okay, ooh, that's falling off. And I'm losing all that paint. Ready, set, go. What? Oh, all that paint spilled. Haha. So much for that. So much for that. Wow. You know what? I'm gonna do another cup. I lost it. It spilled. Okay, so let's do it. What did we start? We started off with black, right? Let's do another cup. Started off with black, a little bit of black. Okay, and then what? You know what? I'm gonna do this. And then we have this blue. And then this violet. And then this. Oh, my pinks are gone. Ooh, this side's not gonna have any pink. Well, there's a little pink down there. No, this side has to have pink. Oh gosh, I can make some pink real quick. Let's make some pink. You want to watch me make some pink? I'm gonna make the one that is made out of magenta. Okay. Actually, this may not be bad. It's just a lighter pink, not as dark. Okay. I'm gonna have 2 of those. So we'll have this one, and then we'll put some white in this one also. There we go. Look, we have pink. How about that? We have 2 pinks. So put a little bit of pink in there. We do need some lightness. It's all dark colors. And put a little bit of pink in here. And okay, so let's try to flip. I've never flipped this way. Ready, set, flip. Okay, great. Not too bad. Excellent. So I think because I have so much, I should be able to keep most of my cells. Go this way a little. We'll go that way a little. Okay, so this is, I like this. I like this a lot. This happy accident. Okay, this is cool. Now let me get the corners. Let's get this corner right here. You can see it, right? Nope, you can't. Let's get this top corner. Okay, why are none of my corners done? Okay, so let's tilt a little to the right. I want to tilt to the right some. I like that up and down streak. I like my streaks to be. Excellent. Okay. I am liking this. There's a lot going on, which is excellent. I'm going to try some heat. Oh, I love this. Okay. Because most of my cells are intact. That's why I love it. Let's try some heat, see if it affects anything. Not really. Let's see if I can get some of this pink right here. Because that pink is really pink with nothing going on in it. Oh, I love this one. Okay, let's get a little closer. Okay, we're getting a little closer. So at the bottom left, I love it. I love the colors in it. Okay, that light pink. That happy little accident. Okay. There's so many cells in here. Oh gosh, I love this painting. That pink going down the center there, I'm not in love with that because it's just pink paint. No texture in it, but it's the only thing in here I don't like, so I'm not going to complain. Anyway. Thanks for watching.